Anyayahan si Kuya Romy upang ipag-pray po yung pagkain natin.
Okay.
Mamawis na kilikili ko eh.
Alexa,
So good afternoon sa bawat isa po sa atin. Welcome sa pangilang natin ng Filipino Fiesta.
I think padalawang third.
This is our third year of having Filipino Fiesta. We enjoy the weather. Let us enjoy the company of one another. And before I pray for the food and pray for the remaining program that we have this morning, basahin ko lang itong Psalm 133. Hindi lamang po, you did not only accept our culture, but as I see it, you already embrace the culture. And in doing that, thank you very much for accepting us as part of your community. So, we unite as a Filipino people culturally. Isa ang kultura natin. Saan man tayo nanggaling, ang Filipinong Fiesta ay napakagandang larawan o expression bakit tayo nagsasama-sama, because in the Philippines, we have our own fiesta. Once a year, in different region in the Philippines, we express it as a people. And ngayong umaga, ngayong hapon ito, ang unity na ito ay ating pagpapatuloy, but not limited to our identity